The Komatsu HB215LC might look like any other 21-ton excavator on the market, but look a little closer and you'll realise that it is, in fact, unique. A groundbreaker in all senses of the word. Because under the hood, the HB215LC features an electric swing motor, power generator motor and capacitor as part of a revolutionary energy recovery system that uses power recovered from the swing motion of the machine to supplement its 141 horsepower hybrid engine. The result is a decrease in fuel consumption of 25 to 35%, depending upon the specific application. So yes, the Komatsu HB215LC does look like any other 21-ton excavator out there, but it is, in fact, a glimpse of a greener future.